Welcome. Today, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to add your phone number to your Gmail account using your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will bring up a menu with several options. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. This step is essential as it takes you to your Google account settings. From there, head over to the Personal Info tab. You'll see various sections about your account, so keep scrolling down until you reach Contact Info. Under Contact Info, tap on Phone. Here, you will see an option to add your phone number. Go ahead and tap Add Now. It's time to enter your phone number, so type it in, and then tap Next. Now, to ensure that you own this phone number, you'll need to verify it. Tap Get Code, and you'll receive a text message with a verification code. Enter that code and complete any remaining options, and there you have it. Your phone number is now linked to your Gmail account, making it even easier to recover your account or get notifications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.